This is your girl Maya, and I've been working out right here, poolside, with this incredible view right here in Zihuatanejo at this incredible B&B Casa del Cielo, and I want to show you my favorite body weight movements that you could do without any equipment, without taking up too much space. No pool or view required, but it sure does help. All right, Winjas, you're gonna want to turn this up. Put on the surround sound because I'm about to drop down my cues for the next 12 bodyweight exercises I've got coming at you. Let's start with the old inchworm into push-up with the classic lizard lunge. This is my favorite way to warm up, my favorite way to waken up my hamstrings, get my chest pumped up, get my hips lubricated, and get my shoulders going. This is exercise 1, your warm-up. Make sure you are staying until exercise 12 because it is probably one of the hardest body weight exercise out there, and not many people can do it. So I want to know, can you do it? Okay, let's get back into the push-up with pike toe touch. Warms up your hamstrings, core, and shoulders. Okay, now we're going into the Superman hold. Look at me, I'm squeezing my shoulder blades together. I'm bringing my arms down. I'm activating my lats. I'm squeezing my glutes, my hamstrings like, damn! The classic beast. Travel forwards and backwards. You guys, if you are not doing the beast yet, you have no idea how hard it is. Get your ass down on the ground, start crawling around, hover those knees, and tell me, is it easy or not? Boom, we're going from beast into crab. And this time I'm taking my elbow and I'm touching it to my knee. So I'm pausing and I'm crunching my abs. Pause and crunch. If you're really good and you feel strong, you can add a travel with it. So check it out. Travel, crunch, travel, ab, knee, elbow, crunch. Take your classic push-up and level it up by adding an alternating rotation. Why is rotation so important? We rotate all the time. Yo, shoulder check. Yo, pass me that. Oh, what's up over there? I'm rotating my body. But we forget to do it in our workout. So when you can, rotate as much as you can. And a lot of you guys have been asking me about stability exercises. So if you want to gain stability, create instability in your exercises with the plank and opposite limb lifts. In order to execute this properly, you got to squeeze that butt, squeeze that shoulder blades, raise that arm, squeezing everything. The switch lunge, one of my favorite plyometrics jumping exercise, gets the heart rate up, increases unilateral leg strength. You get really strong quads, really strong ankles. From there, try some lateral lunges with reach. Lateral lunges, we are working in the frontal plane movement field. Okay, so we're going side to side. And by adding the reach, now you are mobilizing the shoulder. You need to engage your abs even more because you're reaching to the opposite side of the room and you're dropping into that lunge. Oh, the duck walks. Yo, guys, one of the hardest but most simple looking lower body exercise is this duck walk. It burns so good. It is very knee dominant, so you'll be strengthening your knees, getting low to the ground, getting those hips really lubricated, getting the legs nice and strong. Put your hands behind your head to further mobilize the chest and shoulder blades. 2 more exercises left, and these are spicy. Cossack squat. Do not do this unless you've got the inner thighs, the hip, the ankle mobility. And I challenge you, number 12, pistol squats. In order to do the pistol squat, you need to have incredible unilateral leg strength, so one leg at a time, ankle mobility, hip mobility, core strength in order to stand tall and stand up on that one leg. I will be making a tutorial on this. have fun, and give me a oh, oh. Thanks for watching my Winjas. I hope you enjoyed that. My goal for this channel is to show you that you don't need any equipment, anything fancy at all except your incredible body to get a great workout in anywhere you are in the world. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, yo! We're gonna be continuing our Winja journey. Check me out on all the other socials, Facebook, Instagram, everything is under Move with Maya. And I'll catch you next time.